Talking about document processing. For each and every document, we developed an automatic system to check each and every data. After our logistic team has inserted data, well, we're gonna generate all the documents by one click. Very easy, and you will see how fast it is, and there's no errors. For all the information is from the ERP system, so there's no spelling mistakes, there's no number mistakes by typos, there's no such mistakes. So you can faster take a look. So all the documents, including insurance copy, commercial invoice, packing list, and also the insurance copy, BL, everything will be here. So it will be rather easy for us to make a document in 1 second. So this developed system is very complete, and we can flexibly customize based on client's requirement.